Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Mahira Khan. If you like this video, please share and comment, and of course subscribe to
Hello, good evening guys. My name is Shami and I'm going to start C9 from tomorrow and my weight is 115 kg. So let's see what happens. Wish me best of luck.
Hello guys, good afternoon. It's me Shami. As you guys